In this video I am going to show top 5 text effect in Photoshop, so let's start. First, duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J. Resize the layer. Ctrl D for transform and flip to vertical perspective and follow the process. Add layer mask and apply black gradient. And here is the final result. Decrease the fill from 100 to 0. Right-click and go to the blending option. And here follow the settings. And here is the final result. Apply gradient from adjustment layer. And click on rainbow color. Clipping mask to the layer. Select both layer by holding Shift and convert to Smart Object. And follow the method. And here is the final result. First, right-click and resize. Select polygonal lasso tool and make selection on text. Ctrl-Shift-I for invert the selection. Select brush tool and make shadow on text. And follow the process. And here is the final result. First, create a new layer. Select polygonal lasso tool and make selection on text. And follow the process. And here is the final result.